This digital product is honestly one of the most brilliant things I've ever seen on Etsy, and it's making huge sales. You can sell it yourself too, either on Etsy or even on Amazon. And the best part? Anyone watching right now can sell this exact book from anywhere in the world because it's a digital product. This is your chance today to start selling digital products and make real money online right from your home. So let's jump straight in and explore more about this amazing digital product. Don't worry, we'll design it together step by step in a super easy and fun way. If we look a little higher up on the page, we'll see that this product is currently sitting in the carts of 20 people. That means, clearly, people are really interested in it. The seller has priced it at just $2.34, which is honestly a great price. The product is called Letter Tracing Cards, and it helps kids learn the alphabet in a super fun and engaging way. Now, if we scroll down a bit, we'll notice the seller made it clear that this is a digital product, which is exactly what we care about. The dimensions are 11 by 8.5 inches, perfect for printable pages. And here's something even better. The seller has received amazing and recent reviews, meaning this product is selling really well right now. Now, if we take a closer look at the product images to really understand the idea behind it, you'll notice that each alphabet letter is drawn inside a shape, and every shape begins with that letter. For example, the letter A is drawn inside an apple. The child cuts out this apple, practices writing the letter A, and then uses the apple as a little tag or medallion to play with. That way, they learn both the letters and the words that start with them in a fun, hands-on way. Take a look at this short video so you can see exactly what I mean. And that's how it goes for the rest of the alphabet. For example, the letter A is for apple, B is for ball, D is for duck, and it continues like that all the way through every single letter. If you take a look at this image here, you'll see exactly how the page is designed. It includes 4 letters and 4 matching shapes, all nicely arranged on an 8.5 by 11 inch sheet. It's simple, organized, and perfect for kids to enjoy while learning. All right, let's jump straight into Canva so we can start designing this awesome product together. And don't worry, even if you have zero experience in design, by the end of this video, you'll be creating it like a pro. First, we'll create a new design with dimensions 11 by 8.5 inches. Then, since we want to have 4 letters and 4 images on each page, we need to divide the page into 4 equal sections. I'll press the L key on my keyboard to add a straight line. I'll make the line longer and place it right in the center of the page horizontally. Next, I'll change this straight line into a dashed line and reduce its thickness down to about 2 points. After that, I'll duplicate the line, rotate it 90 degrees, and place it right in the middle vertically. Now the page is perfectly divided into 4 equal sections. I've uploaded this file for you on my Telegram channel. You'll find the link in the pinned comment below. Inside, you'll get all the alphabet letters, and next to each letter, there are 6 words that start with it. This will make your design process so much easier. Now, let's start designing the letter A. I'll pick one of the 6 words beside it. Let's go with apple. Then I'll head over to the Elements tab and search for an apple illustration. I'll choose the one I like most and place it in the first of the 4 boxes on our page. Next, I'll go back to the file, copy a word for the letter B, let's say ball, and add a picture of a ball into the second box. Then I'll repeat the same process for letters C and D, filling each section with the right image. The first page will include these 4 letters. And remember, always choose shapes and pictures that kids will love and connect with. Now that we've added all the images to the first page, the next step is to place the alphabet letters right on top of each image, so kids can practice tracing and learning each letter. All I need to do is go to the Elements tab, then search for Alphabet Tracing. You'll see all the letters appear right there. I'll start by choosing the letter A. I'll change its color from gray to white, Then resize it a bit smaller and place it right in the center of the apple. Next, I'll do the same for the letter B. Change it from gray to white and position it right in the middle of the ball. And then I'll repeat this same process for letters C and D, placing each one perfectly in the center of the cat and the duck. Now the letters look clean, clear, and super fun for kids to trace. And just like that, we've finished the first page, quickly and easily. I honestly think you could create the entire book in less than 20 minutes. Let's move on to the second page. All we need to do is copy the first page, then remove all the images from it. Next, we go back to our file with all the words and pick the word for the letter E. Let's use elephant. Then we'll head to Elements and choose a kid-friendly elephant illustration. We'll resize it slightly and place it in the first box on the left of the second page. After that, we change the color of the letter E to white and place it right in the center of the elephant. And we just repeat this process for every letter, page by page, all the way through to Z. And just like that, the entire book comes together beautifully. And now, my friend, let me explain the idea in a simple way. On the first page, the child will cut out the apple. Then practice writing the letter A that's placed right in the center of the apple. Next, they can punch a hole at the top of the apple and add a little string, turning it into a fun medallion. An apple-shaped tag with the letter A. I think this is such a brilliant way to teach kids the alphabet in a fun and hands-on way. And honestly, I see this product as a total winner on Etsy. It's selling really well and has huge potential. So go ahead and create it today. It won't even take you 15 minutes. And if you enjoyed this video, you'll find even more amazing videos on my channel. So make sure to check it out, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment to encourage me to keep bringing you more easy and professional design tutorials. And if you haven't grabbed the special collection of 80 books that we've designed over the past few months to help you on your Etsy and Amazon journey, you'll find it in the pinned comment. Just go to the sales page. I'm sure you'll love it. I'll see you in a brand new video soon, and until then, take care.